Welcome to Compare to Win. The best door sill ramp is probably one of the most overlooked yet incredibly useful additions to any home or workspace, especially for those navigating with wheelchairs, walkers, or even just rolling carts, as it effortlessly bridges the gap between different floor levels and doorways, transforming potential obstacles into smooth pathways and enhancing accessibility for everyone. Number 5. Easy Access Aluminum Threshold Ramp. Navigate your home with ease. This ramp ensures smooth transitions over doorways, making it perfect for wheelchairs, walkers, and scooters. It eliminates dangerous thresholds, providing safe access for everyone. Built to last, this ramp is made from high-strength, rust-proof aluminum. Its specially designed surface offers superior traction in any weather, ensuring safety and reliability for daily use. Accommodate various threshold heights with its innovative adjustable design. It can even accommodate entryways up to 6.25 inches high, offering versatile solutions for almost any doorway. Take accessibility wherever you go. Its lightweight yet sturdy construction makes it easy to transport, perfect for both temporary and permanent use without sacrificing stability. Tailor the height precisely to your specific needs. You can adjust it to create the perfect accessibility solution for your unique situation, ensuring a perfect fit every time. What we like. This ramp offers incredible versatility for various home entrances and sliding doors. If you need a reliable and adaptable solution for different threshold heights, this is the one. Its adjustable nature ensures a perfect fit for almost any doorway. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable surface for wheelchairs and walkers. It's easy to install and adjust, fitting perfectly over the doorway threshold. The non-slip surface ensures safety and prevents accidents, even when wet. Number 4. Easy Access Threshold Ramps. Easily navigate any doorway with our versatile threshold ramps. They provide smooth and safe transitions for wheelchairs, walkers, and scooters, eliminating dangerous thresholds in your home. Crafted from high-strength, rust-proof aluminum, this ramp is built to last. Its specially designed surface offers superior traction, ensuring safety in all weather conditions. Accommodate various threshold heights with our innovative adjustable design. It offers precise height customization, ensuring a perfect fit for almost any doorway. Enjoy the convenience of a lightweight yet sturdy design. It's easy to transport, making it ideal for both permanent and temporary accessibility needs. Tailor this ramp to your specific requirements. You can easily adjust its height to create the perfect accessibility solution for your unique situation. Create secure pathways and ensure safe access throughout your home. This ramp empowers users with greater independence and peace of mind. What we like. Built to last with premium, rust-proof aluminum, this ramp is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for a durable, weather-resistant option that's also easy to move around, this product is an excellent choice. It provides stable access without worrying about rust or damage. What people say. The ramp is very sturdy and well-made. It has a good grip and doesn't slide around. It's the perfect height for my wheelchair to get over the threshold. It makes a big difference in accessibility. Easy to install and remove. It stays in place securely. Number 3. Easy Access Transitions 1 Portable Entry Ramp. Introducing a versatile modular entry ramp designed to provide convenient mobility. It ensures a smooth and sturdy path for anyone using a wheelchair, scooter, walker, or cane, perfect for doorways and raised landings. Crafted from high-strength, rust-proof aluminum, this ramp is built to last and resist corrosion. Its extruded surface design offers superior traction for secure and safe mobility. Available in various heights, it features an innovative pivoting flap for an extra 0.25 inches of adjustability. This allows it to accommodate thresholds up to 6.25 inches high. Its lightweight design makes transporting this ramp incredibly easy. It adds convenience to your on-the-go accessibility needs, wherever you go. You can tailor its height to your specific needs. It can also be adapted by removing sections for a customized fit that suits your unique requirements. What we like. This is a fantastic option for those needing a low-profile entry solution for doorways and landings. If you prefer a ramp that's easy to place and doesn't require installation, this self-supporting, lightweight model is ideal. It offers convenient mobility access without any hassle. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable surface for wheelchairs and walkers. It's easy to install and adjust, fitting perfectly over the doorway threshold. The non-slip surface ensures safety and prevents accidents, even when wet. Number 2. Easy Access Portable Aluminum Ramp. Introducing a revolutionary way to overcome everyday obstacles. This ramp is designed to make your home more accessible and easier to navigate. Its portable design allows you to take it anywhere, providing a stable surface for wheelchairs and other mobility devices. Use it for doorways, steps, or any uneven surface. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this ramp is built to last. It offers a self-supporting structure for reliable use in various situations. Tackle those challenging single-step rises and uneven ground with confidence. This ramp provides a smooth transition, ensuring safety and convenience. Setting up and moving this ramp is a breeze. Enjoy enhanced mobility without the hassle of permanent installations. Transform your living space into a more accommodating environment. This ramp is the perfect solution for improving accessibility at home. What we like. Designed for uneven surfaces and single-step rises, this ramp provides a stable, angled entry. If you have a specific step or uneven area that needs a smooth transition, this self-supporting option with its generous surface area is perfect. It's built to handle various challenging entry points. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable surface for wheelchairs and walkers. It's easy to install and adjust, fitting perfectly over the door threshold. The non-slip surface ensures safety and prevents accidents, even when wet. Number 1. Ruedamann 3,300 pounds heavy-duty threshold ramp. Navigate your home with ease. This ramp provides smooth access for wheelchairs, scooters, and even robot vacuums, making every doorway accessible. Built to last, it supports up to 3,300 pounds. Its robust construction ensures strong and stable performance for both home and commercial use. Tackle any condition with confidence. The textured surface offers enhanced traction, ensuring a stable grip indoors and outdoors, wet or dry. Crafted from high-quality, odor-free rubber, it's flexible, resistant to deformation, and provides stable support for daily use. Achieve a perfect fit for any doorway. It's easily cuttable to your desired width or can be combined for wider entrances, with no installation needed. What we like. For a robust and adaptable solution, this heavy-duty rubber ramp is a top contender. If you need a ramp that can be cut to size for a perfect fit and can support a significant weight of up to 3,300 pounds, this is your best bet. Its non-slip surface ensures safety in all conditions. What people say. The ramp is sturdy and well-made, providing a stable surface for wheelchairs and walkers. It's easy to install and adjust, fitting perfectly over the doorway threshold. The non-slip surface ensures safety and prevents accidents, even when wet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.